Hello my friends and welcome back to another review. Today we are reviewing a light bulb. This is a light bulb for different things, but mostly people are going to use it for bearded dragon. So let's go ahead and show you guys how the bulbs look. So this time, so I'm glad they came packaged nicely. Now you can use these as regular bulbs. However, they are designed for animal enclosures. So this is what they look like. So let's go over a couple features for you guys. So they are a UVA heat lamp, 100 watts, AC 100 to 120 volts. The base type is E26. Glass type is clear. Materials is glass. Emitting color is warm white, which is equivalent to the sunlight. And lifetime is, it looks like, 5,000 hours. Overall, they're very nice.